Hello students, today we shall learn a chapter in cell biology. The topic is cancer biology. Cancer is a deadly or a dangerous disease amongst the youngsters in the present world. It is reported by World Health Organization on the World Cancerous Day, the 4th February, that 1.16 million new cases were recorded of cancer in 2019. It is also a shocking report that they have given is 1 in 10 Indians we find cancer in future. 1 out of 20 may die out of cancer in future days. So, cancer is a very dangerous disease which causes much of the pain physically, physiologically, economically for a patient. It is such a painful disease that it not only takes away the economy of an individual but will reduce the lifespan, and as long as the individual lives they will have to suffer with the pain. So that is the dangerousness of this particular disease. So in today's topic we are going to understand few concepts related to cancer. First, we shall start with the definition of cancer. It is a disease caused due to uncontrolled division of cells in parts of the body in an individual. So, uncontrolled division of cells that leads to a disease is exactly referred as cancer. The term cancer is a Latin word which means crab. As we know, crab is an active animal that moves from one place to another very rapidly. So movement is very fast. When it catches a prey or a predator, never leaves it. Also, the prey or predator will be torn into pieces, giving painful experience for the prey. The end of it is the death of the prey or predator. So is the life of a cancerous patient too. Hence, the word cancer is given to this particular disease. Cancer may be localized to one particular place. Mean to say, uncontrolled division of cells may be related to one particular locality. Such cancerous condition is generally less dangerous. It is called as benign cancer. There is one more type of cancer called malignant cancer. The actual cancer refers to malignant cancer. It is very dangerous because this division of uncontrolled or irregulated process is going to spread to the neighboring tissues also, which are healthy. So this kind of spreading of cancer to the neighbor healthy cells is called malignancy, and the type of cancer is called malignant cancer. Example for benign cancer is skin warts. Example for malignant cancer is rest of all the cancer as what we call it exactly as diseases such as bone cancer, blood cancer, skin cancer, etc. Coming on to the types of cancer based on the origin. If they are ectodermal in origin related to the epithelial tissue, the type of cancer is called as carcinoma. It is seen that 80% to 85% of cancerous types comes under this category of carcinoma. The second type is sarcoma, which is related to mesodermal in origin. So all mesodermal tissues and organs are related to sarcoma cancer. Example is bone cancer. The third type of cancer is related to the only one type of connective tissue which is capable of moving throughout the body, a transportation connective tissue called the blood. Cancer related to blood, we call it as leukemia, generally called as blood cancer. The percentage of leukemia is around 10 and sarcoma is somewhere around 1 to 5%. Generally, a cancerous cell, when it is in a normal condition, shows a mechanism called a cell cycle. Every normal cell, when it undergoes the process of cell division, it enters into a stage called cell cycle stage. It is a process which includes the phases like G1, S, G2 and M. M stands for mitotic phase. G1 to S phases together are called as interphase. All these phases in between has got special stages called as checkpoints or G0 phases. These checkpoints or G0 phases are the stages where the cells will undergo a kind of checking. The checking is for preparing the cell to enter into the next stage. Say suppose if this preparedness for the cell is not there for the next stage, then it is made to remain in the checkpoint for a longer time until the preparedness is given for the cell. So that's the specialty of checkpoints that regulates the normal cell cycle. Students, remember, in case of cancerous cells, there is no control over this checkpoint regions. So there is a faulty jumps between one stage to another stage without entering into checkpoints. In simple to say, there is bypassing of checkpoints, thus the cell directly enters from one cell stage to another in case of cancerous cells. So the study of cancer is called oncology, and World Cancer Day is remembered on the 4th February of every year. Students, remember, this is one important point that you'll have to remember. Checkpoints are the regulatory phases for the cells to enter from one phase of cell cycle to another, and this regulation is done by a special kind of protein molecules called as, or enzyme molecules called as cyclin complexes.